For your 2019 model, a ton of upgrades is rolling out to its 2- and 4-door hardtop models and the convertible. It is a revision in many respects. To the headlights, the only change will be in the front. The LED running lights, which encircle the light element, illuminate in a circle, and amber flashes to be a turn signal. The signs are also unchanged, but coming around to the trunk you'll discover the shift that is most evident. No more would be the taillights rectangles with bands inside. The light components are LED in the flag. It is somewhat absurd, although it is implemented well. We child, but a bit do worry about many focusing on British references. Exterior updates comprise 3 metallic colors known as Solaris Orange, Starlight Blue, and Emerald Gray. The piano black bundle that swaps the chrome around the lights conjoins them in grille for gloss lighting, which are created out of 3D printing or laser engraving, and the Habit Mini Yours fender colors are also available. The inside is unchanged. Bluetooth connectivity has become standard across the board, together with a 6.5-inch infotainment display. There are possibilities that are new. 2- and 4-door mini hatches could be arranged together with malt brown Chesterfield leather. Like the exterior, the inside includes a piano black alternative. It includes gloss with a Union Jack motif together with a panel on the passenger side. That theme has pieces that are translucent that light up at precisely the exact same color as the inside lighting that is driver selectable.